All right, now we get a chance to take a spin in a 1972 El Camino. Is it 72 or 71?
2.
Okay, 1972 El Camino. This was white with a black and white houndstooth interior. It's got the SS wheels on it, got black stripes. It's matching numbers, original 350 V8. It's got power disc brakes up front, factory air conditioning that works. Pretty neat little car, you know, actually overall. It's got the BFG T radials on there. It's a turbo 350 automatic transmission, and it's got like some freeway flyers in it, so you can cruise it on the highway if you want, run errands in it, whatever. It's a 12-bolt rear end. I like that steering wheel, the GM style steering wheel. It's got an old school Pioneer CD player in it, some aftermarket gauges. We always like to see the gauges because we know what's going on.
Yeah, drives good.
Yeah, these cars in the 70s already drove good. You didn't have to upgrade them, really. They already drove modern enough to not have to do any mods. You can just add more power if you want. That's about it. But El Caminos are cool because they drive like a car.
Yep. A little short on seat spaces, but that's okay.
That's right. Can't cram the kids in here with you. Well, maybe one, if you want to. Cool. Nail it. Oh yeah, downshifts and everything. Pretty good. Feels good.
Gets up and goes.
At least you can get on the freeway without being afraid. All right, we'll take some pictures of this bad boy. Here's that 1972 Chevy El Camino we just got a chance to drive in. It's a nice little car. It's white with black and white interior. Pretty simple and basic, easy to keep clean. It's got a spring-in bed liner. It's got the SS 5-spoke wheels on there with some BFG TAs. All the chrome is in, a lot of it's new. A lot of it's in just really good shape. It was a we bought it from a guy who didn't have it. He'd had it for a couple years. He bought it from the original owner, so it's still got the original matching number engine in it. Got some tie downs in there if you want to take something with you, motorcycle or something. All the side trim's in good shape. It's got a regular flat hood on it. You could put a cowl induction hood on it. They're pretty inexpensive if you want to do that. Give it the rest of the SS look. It's not a super sport. Show you the inside real quick. It's got one of those GM custom steering wheels. Nice interior. Seats are brand new upholstered. Little bench seat. You can take 3 people with you at least. Of course, the aftermarket odometer gauges that everybody likes to have. Little CD player. The dashboard's been redone. Headliner's in good shape. It's a good looking car just to cruise around and have some fun. Go to the car show or go to Home Depot. It's a nice one. Here's the power plant in the 72 El Camino. Like I mentioned earlier, it's the original matching number 350 V8. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor on it. It does have an aftermarket aluminum intake. It's got HEI ignition, which is I think standard for this year. Working air conditioning, retrofitted to the 134, the new style Freon. Just really simple, basic stock under here, but power steering and power disc brakes and air. That's no need for any upgrades here. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice, smooth running little 350. Not much to it. Easy to take care of. Go ahead and walk around the back, let you listen to it. Nice little rumble to it. Runs all the way out the back. Nice dual exhaust. Some chrome tips on there. Sounds good. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself. My name's Rich or Gary. Either one of us can help you. Thanks for watching.